The Great Unlocking. Hi there. I'm still thinking about the best ways to reshape Comprehensible Russian. Thanks to all of you who took part in the survey and filled up the questionnaire. Thanks a lot. It gave me a lot of insights. So I'm still thinking about it, but there are a couple of key decisions that I am ready to announce. And I think you will be very content to hear that. First of all, I decided to unlock the majority of my videos on Patreon for the YouTube audience. As you probably know, I have quite a lot of long videos about Russia that are available only for patrons. And actually that's quite a lot. That's about 75% of the content. And only 25% were on YouTube. So now it's all going to be transferred from Patreon to YouTube, and it's going to be published and open. All those videos will not be published in one day, of course. I will upload them gradually. Don't miss that out. Follow the channel. Don't forget to like the videos and to subscribe. I have a lot of people who are watching the channel and they're not subscribed. I don't think it's fair. So subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get the notifications about the new videos. And in general, the majority of new videos to come are going to be available on YouTube. If you want to support my free content, join me on Patreon. That's it for today. Stay with me. See you soon. Пока-пока.